at?
We're from everywhere. From Brackenville, San Antonio, here in Rock Springs, San Antonio.
My name is Vance Bonner.
I'm Greg Ray.
Pat Kellner.
Michael Ray.
We're the Los Chupacabras, and we're here on a goat cook-off here in Rock Springs.
I'm Judd Pfeiffer from Austin, Texas, and I am the pitmaster of Flint Rock Flame Masters, and we're out here cooking some good goat. Firemaster.
And I'm
Austin, Texas. I'm the carver.
I'm Shannon Frazier, Austin, Texas, and I just tell them what to do.
We're from Rock Springs, Texas, Twin Tower Ranch, and we're from Katy, Texas, KDW Construction Company.
Cool.
Thank you.
Cooking Cousins, Harper. I'm Alan Tosh.
Grant Meyer.
Donald Tosh. Harper, Texas. They got mad at me.
My name is Ernest Franco. My partner Mario Benavides over there. The team is Red Solo Cup.
We're here at the 5th annual Roasting on the Rock Goat Cook-Off. We have 7 judges here that are tasting for 3 different things: taste, texture, and aroma. So here in about 15 minutes, we'll know who the best cabrito cooker was. So taste, texture, and aroma. Y'all can use your fingers as far as I'm concerned. Taste, okay. What do you think?
What's going on, Jerry?
There should be enough napkins for everybody to get a napkin if you need Here's some trash, guys. Here too. Pepper on there. I do too.
I made a lot of money.
Everybody good? All right, y'all come here, get your phone out. Y'all add across and make sure I'm getting the right numbers. 8, 9,
This one's 26. This one's 20.
30? 28? Yes. Okay, so 1 wins.
Hold on a second.
Okay. 5 is second. 6 is third.
No.
4. 5th. 6th. 1 is first. 2 was 6th. 3 was 5th. 4 was 4th. 5 was second, and 6 was third. Okay? Y'all want to know who they are? 1 was Red Solo Cup. 2 was Los Chupacabras. They won showmanship. 3 was Cooking Cousins, and they were 5th. 4 was the Pfeiffers. They were 4th. Flint Rock Fire Masters. Fifth was second. That was KDW. Third was Jerry Golden, Twin Towers. All right. Now we're gonna go in here and we'll announce them. Okay, we have some goat cook-off results. If you want to know, come on around here to the dance floor. I need all the goat cooking teams to report to the dance floor. We will have the results here in about 10 minutes at the dance floor.
Step on that.
Number one, baby. Number one.
Come one, come all. We're fixing to announce the goat cook-off results.
They don't come, they're disqualified, right?
And they don't show up, they're disqualified. Best out of three, but we want two in a row. I like it. Knock him out. Still in it.
I know.
Me it is.
Okay, the first team I would like to introduce was Red Solo Cup. Mario Benavides and Mr. Franco.
Yeah.
The next team is KDW. That was Chuck Durrell and a team of lots of people. The next team I would like to introduce is Las Chupacabras. Pat Kellner and other Bracketville'ites. The next team was Twin Towers Ranch, Jerry Gold and Peggy, and lots of other people. The Flint Rock Fire Masters, but those are all PFs. This was Judd Pfeiffer was the head chef, and he has a good group with him, his parents and lots of helpers. And last, but definitely not least, the Cooking Cousins. They came all the way from Harper. Alan Toch and the other Toch boys. Okay, I need a drum roll. We're gonna do showmanship first. This is a $100 cash prize as well as a beautiful acrylic plaque. And it goes to the Las Chupacabras. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and announce the top three. Unfortunately, third place, you're gonna get a handshake and a pat on the back, but we really appreciate you coming out and supporting Rock Springs FFA and Edwards County 4-H. It goes to Twin Towers Ranch and Jerry Gold.
There you go. Thank you.
Hang on, girls. Let me get your picture. Jerry, come back next year.
Thank you, I will.
Now for second place. This is a $200 cash prize and an acrylic plaque. It goes to KDW and Chuck Durrell.
Second place. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Oh wait, no wait.
Place.
Oh, Bubba.
Goes to Red Solo Cup, Mario Benavides and Ernesto Franco. $500 and a nice acrylic plaque.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Y'all pose.
KDW and Twin Towers Ranch are being very generous and donating their money back to these girls who put on this event.
Up to the.
Yeah, show the camera.
We did it. Have fun.
It was good. I tried all of it.
Yes, sir.
Tasted good. I ate some.
Did you?
that up already.